Heroic act, armed robber shot by licensed firearm holder in Saint and Bar. An armed robbery attempt at a Saint and Bar was thwarted when a licensed firearm holder shot an armed suspect. The accomplice remains at large as investigations continue. A tense robbery attempt at a bar in Saint and ended dramatically when a licensed firearm holder shot an armed suspect, who remains hospitalized under police watch. The incident unfolded late Friday night, with one suspect still on the run and authorities continuing their investigation. The robbery attempt gone wrong. On Friday at approximately 11:50 p.m., patrons were gathered at a local bar when two men, one brandishing a gun, stormed in demanding cash and valuables. The quiet evening turned chaotic as the armed robbers threatened the customers and bar staff. As fear spread through the crowd, one individual decided to take action. A licensed firearm holder, who was among the patrons, challenged the armed man in a heroic attempt to protect everyone present. Gunfire exchanged. According to reports, gunfire was exchanged between the licensed gun holder and the armed robber. Both robbers attempted to flee the scene after the altercation. However, the situation took a drastic turn when one of the gunmen was discovered lying on the road nearby, suffering from gunshot wounds. Despite being shot, the injured man was swiftly taken to the hospital, where he is currently under police supervision. Authorities believe that the other robber may also have been wounded, as a trail of blood was discovered leading away from the scene. A manhunt is now underway to capture the accomplice. Police investigation ongoing. The police have launched a full-scale investigation into the botched robbery, working tirelessly to locate the second suspect. They also encourage anyone with information to come forward to aid in the investigation. Community heroism, licensed gun holder saves the day. This incident highlights the importance of law-abiding citizens responsibly using their licensed firearms to protect others in critical situations. Thanks to the swift action of the licensed firearm holder, a potentially deadly situation was averted.